Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to divide both sides by dy. Next, we divide both sides by s. Next, we need to open parentheses. Next, we have ln(s) and ds over s dy. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to ln(s). Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dv over dy equals to ds over s dy. Because first derivative of ln(s), we have 1 over s. Next, this one we change by v. This one we change by dv over dy. Next, y to the power of 3 we put on the right, and we have negative y to the power of 3. Next, we divide both sides by y. Next, we have v, and first derivative of v we can use about integrating factor. So we need to use about mu y equals to e to the power of the integration, and we see that negative number 1 over y, that is about integrating factor. And this one we have e to the power of negative ln y. So I will put the negative side go inside about natural law in here. And this one we have y to the power of negative number 1, and we have 1 over y. That means we multiply both sides by 1 over y. So this one we have y. This one we have v over y to the power of 2. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully about this one, this is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we do this integration in here, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of this one, we have v over y. The integration of y, we have y squared over 2, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one ln(s), And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.